Now that you're selling on the market in Mexico, you want to make sure you stay there. This section covers some of the post-market duties for which manufacturers are responsible. As stated earlier, your registration is valid for 5 years. In order to renew, your Mexican registration holder must submit your request no later than 150 days prior to expiration. You might want to consider marking that on your calendar because COFEPRIS does not offer extensions. Please note that it typically takes 5 months or longer for renewals to be processed. You can use a third-party reviewer for renewals if desired. After your product is on the market, there might be an occasion when you need to modify your submission. Things such as changing the manufacturing location, your distributor, additional models or product codes, all of these affect your submission. Keeping your product in the market means performing post-market vigilance tasks. This is referred to in Mexico as techno-vigilance. Mexican Standards NOM 240 SSA1 of 2012 offers valuable information on terminology, timelines, and other techno-vigilance reporting requirements. Here are some of the highlights. The Mexican Techno-Vigilance System operates under the National Center of Pharmacovigilance, CNFV. Any adverse events must be reported by your registration holder to the CNFV. A detailed report of vigilance activities is required every 5 years with your device registration renewal. Your techno-vigilance report must include the number of units sold in Mexico per year during the previous 5 years, an indication of number of patients that have used or have had your device used on them, and any incidents, if applicable, along with information regarding additional medical device safety actions. That brings us to the end of this module and this series on bringing your medical device to market in Mexico. You now know that COFEPRIS is the governing regulatory body. We looked at how to determine your device classification and the differences between classifications. We also learned that if your company is outside of Mexico, you're required to obtain a Mexican registration holder. We examined the different device registration routes and finally looked at some of the post-market obligations. We hope you've enjoyed this video series and learned some valuable information. This is just the tip of the iceberg though. A wealth of resources, including regulatory charts, device regulations, videos, white papers, and more, are available on our website, www.emergogroup.com/Mexico. Bye for now.